The list talked about shade. I am going to create a look using the list talked about shade. And that shade is, keep watching. Today's palette is LA Girl Main Stage OG palette. Do you have this palette? Let me know if you do have it, and if you have it, are you using it? LA Girl Main Stage palette. I'm going into my Milani palette and I'm going to use one of the colors here as my base. I'm going to use the lightest shade in there just so I can base my eyes. The list talked about shade that I'm going to use today is this gray right here. I'm using each palette of mine that have a gray in it for the next month or month and a half, as long as it takes me. This one is a gray and it has a shift, but because it is a gray, I'm going to use it. LA Girl Main Stage. This shade right here is a purple and I'm going to go into it. It's a shimmer and I want to put that in the crease. So I'm just going to windshield wipe back and forth. The brush is too big to begin with, but I will make it work. Now the list talked about shade color is the gray. I'm going to use the gray on my lids. Today's item is I embrace self-compassion. I embrace self-compassion. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of your mental health. Take care of your entire body, mind, spirit, and soul. Life will go on whether we are here or not. Learn when to take a break. Learn when to stop. Learn when you have done enough or say enough or be enough. Self-care, self-love, embrace self-compassion. This gray is very pretty. It has a shift. I don't know if you can see it. It's not very high shine shimmer. Both shades that I have on, they are both shimmers. This is an old palette. I don't know if they still make it, but I bought it a while back at Ulta. Embrace self-compassion. The star of the show is Juvia's Place Terracotta Blush. That's what I have on my cheeks. And I set it with the Ulta Trio, but I use the berry. Today's look. I'm using grays out of my palettes. Any of my palettes that have a gray, I'm going to pull that palette out, work with the gray and add other colors to it to create a look. My grays need some love. They have not been loved for a long time. And this is the gray I use. It has a shift. It's very pretty, very subtle. And it is the LA Girl Main Stage palette. Thank you all again for watching. Please remember to share this video with someone else. Let them know it is makeup with a message. And I pray that this video meets you in a good space. And if it did not meet you in a good headspace, I pray that it leaves you in a better headspace. Be well. Take care of yourself. Remember, you are very important. I will talk to you in the next video. Until I see you and you see me, stay blessed, be well, and take care of yourself. Bye.